Hey guys, and welcome to EndoTechSolutions. Today we're going to be talking about DreamScenes. We're going to be talking about how to enable them and how to download them. We're also going to be talking about the do's and don'ts and what you need to have and what you don't need to have. Alright, first off, you're going to look in the description. You're going to want to get the enabler. The enabler is going to make it possible that your background is going to be able to play WMV files and AVI files. Okay, so go down there, go ahead and click on it, copy and paste it, and it should be able to send you to the Pirate Bay site, which you can actually download this. You're going to need uTorrent to download this, and it's actually free, so you don't have to worry about it. For those that already know, I'm not saying anything new. First off, you're going to want to go ahead and download it. I've already have it here. I'm seeding it. This is actually my Pirate Bay little site thing right here. So this is EndoTechSolutions. I'm the one offering it to you. Alright, go ahead and download that. It's only 1.16 megabytes, so it's not really all that big. It doesn't take that long. You don't have to worry about taking up too much space. But once you get this, you're going to want to go ahead and pop it open, and you're going to see here that it's raw. So use WinRAR to unraw it. Alright, now once you go ahead and you already get this finished and you get it unrawed and stuff like that, you're going to want to go and and check out the files that we got inside of it. Okay, now when you open this up, you're going to see two folders here, one for the 32-bit system, one for the 64-bit system. I suggest that you use the one for your system. If you don't know what kind of system you have, just simply go to My Computer, go to System, alright, and you're going to be able to see what kind of operating system you're running. I'm running a 64-bit system, and you'll see it right here, system type, 64-bit operating system. That's how you find out what kind of operating system you have. Alright, now you're going to want to run the one that's for your operating system for compatibility issues. Usually with the 64-bit system, you can actually run the 86, but I suggest using the 64. Just keep it with the compatibility of it and keep it simple. Okay. Now we're going to start with the 32-bit system, the x86, and as you notice here, the x86, well, we made it simple here. We got a program, 2 clicks, it installs itself, it installs everything into the registry, it gets all the files into the system32 folder, and everything's taken care of just like this. So double click, install it, and go ahead and get yourself some DreamScenes. Now if you have a 64-bit system, you'll notice that it gets a little bit more complicated. Actually, in my opinion, it gets a little bit more fun. You get to see your system as is, and you're the one that puts it in there. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take this folder here, and I'm going to push it to the side. Okay, I'm going to come down here and press the Start menu. I'm going to go to Computer. Once I get to Computer, I'm going to go to Local Disk, which is the C drive. I'm going to try to find the Windows folder here. Click that. Now you're going to want to scroll down until you find System32. Okay, now once you get the System32 folder up, just go ahead and take this whole screen, slide it over. Okay, and I like doing this just so I can see what's going on, just so I can easily do it. I'm not doing too much maneuvering and stuff like that, and I'm using what Windows 7 has to offer. So now when I open up this file over here with our Windows 7 DreamScene file or folder, I'm going to find three important files. The files that I'm going to have is the dreamscene.dll, the dreamscene.dll.mui, and the dscene.reg. These are the ones that we're going to be playing with today. Alright, now first off, we're going to start off with this dreamscene.dll. Just go ahead and click on this. You're going to want to copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to want to take it back over here to your Windows System32 folder. You're going to just want to simply paste it. Once you get this pasted, don't worry about it. You already did what you had to do for it. If you want to check to see if it's in there, just in case, go ahead and you can check it. mine's in there, I don't have to worry about it. So we're going to come back over here to our dreamscene.dll.mui. Okay, you're going to want to do the same as above. You want to click on it, you want to go ahead and copy it. Okay, once you get it copied, you're going to want to find your en.us folder. It's in the window, it's in the computer, local disk, Windows, System32 file, and when you find this folder, go ahead and click it open. Once you get this open, just go ahead and paste that in there. As you notice, I already have it in there, so I don't have to worry about it. And voila, you're done with those two files. Now we're going to work on our dscene.reg. Okay, just simply click this, double click it. It's going to come up to this little warning right here, which is letting you know that adding information can unintentionally change or delete values. As you notice, the can word right here, it doesn't mean that it's going to do it. It's just saying that it's just warning you about it. Alright, this is normal with all Windows 7. Anytime you do any type of editing to the registry, it's always going to do this. Okay, we're not worried about that. So we're going to go ahead and press yes. Once that gets done, you're going to get this little warning here, which is not really a warning, it's more a confirmation letting you know that dscene.reg has been successfully added to the registry. Alright, so now that we got that already done, we are DreamScene enabled. Okay, now that we got this enabled, we're going to want to go find ourselves some DreamScenes. Alright, I suggest going to dreamscene.org. It is a free website. It has quite a bit of stuff if you're into, like, you know, modifying your Windows 7. You can find themes, 3D videos, you can find different tools to where you can actually edit and make your own dream scene, and they're all freeware. Okay, but right now we're going to be worrying about DreamScenes. Okay, so now with DreamScenes, I like to go to all. I'm the individual that, yeah, I probably have every dream scene. Not every one of them, but at least every one of them on this site. The reason why is because I like selection. I like different selection. I like to be able to have it, and in case I get a different mood, change it. And I'll get to show you in a bit how to change this. But first off, we're going to get up to downloading these. Alright, now you're going to notice these three selections here. Each and every one of them has it. You can check by the rating of how many times it's been downloaded and what people think about it. And you can also see that you can get it as a wallpaper, not as a dream file or a dream scene, but as a wallpaper. And also you'll be able to preview it. I suggest previewing it before you download it. As you notice here, you know, you get your move on Earth and all that. It's really simple, this one here. It's probably the reason why that I don't have it, because I don't really want that. But you can go ahead and you can preview them, you can download it, and I'm going to download this one, Blue Tato, if that's how you pronounce it. Once you download it, I think it's because I'm using Firefox that it does this. I'm not sure if it does that with the other ISPs and stuff like that, but not ISPs, but you know, service providers or your browsers. But you're gonna notice the name of it. You're gonna notice who makes it, the size of it, resolution, how long does it last before it loops again, and how many times it's been downloaded. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna download this. Boom. Once we get it downloaded, it's also a small file, so it's probably already done. And all you really have to do is just go to the folder where you get all your downloads at. You're gonna see that it's a RAR file or a zip file. Go ahead and unzip it. Once you get unzipped, you're gonna see that you get these two files right here. One's a WMV file, a Windows Media Video file, and the other one's a TXT. You don't have to worry about that. But this is how I'm going to show you how to apply this. Now, right click it, go to set as desktop background. Bam! Look at it. High quality, moving pieces, You see the clouds up here, they're moving. You see the water, they're moving. Look at the trees, how crisp it is and everything. This is from that website. This is the reason why I like it. Now, I suggest that after you go ahead and you do this, that you go to your libraries over here, go to your videos, and that you make a folder. I suggest it. If you do it, great. If you don't, that's on you. But the reason why I say this is in case that you go ahead and you start downloading a lot of them, you want to separate them from your regular videos. The reason why is because your regular videos are actually different. These are DreamScenes are actually made for DreamScenes. They're personally made for DreamScenes. Although you can play them as regular files, as you notice here, but it's just going to loop over and over and over again. It's not really going to do anything. So I suggest putting them in a different folder so you're easily accessible. As you notice, I got quite a bit of them. To be honest, I got 74 of them, but I'll keep that to myself. I like this blue UV. That's my favorite. It has a little smoky aurora kind of feel to it and everything, and it fits my style. So this is it for the video. That's it for the tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. Go ahead and post it down below. I think you'll be able to find my email in case that you wanted to email me with any more questions or anything, or if you want to get, a little bit more into more modifying. As you notice, my toolbar here is a little bit different. Also, I have something up here, and if you like, just let me know what you want to know, and I can make a tutorial and show you how to get it. Okay, subscribe and say what's up. Alright, thank you very much, guys.